Folks, welcome to another Doc Mac production, and today I have just purchased a 2012 Toyota Camry. I got it in an auction, but as you can see, the car isn't the most tidiest. The interior is quite stained, it's dirty, and doesn't really smell the best. You can see it on the carpet as well. If we come around the back, you will be able to see that the back is quite dirty as well. So we're going to just lift that center console up, and you can see quite a bit of dirt right in the middle. Okay, so we're going to go back to the front of the car now, and these are the products that I'm going to use to try and clean the car and make it smell even fresher. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've got a bit of baking soda, which I have just put inside this container. Then I have got this carpet upholstery cleaner, and this is the last bit which I'm going to use. In between, I'm going to use some disinfectant as well as some dishwashing liquid, and we will get to that steps in just a moment. So this is just an overview of what we're going to do. Okay, so this is the baking soda right here, and as you can see, there are minor lumps here. I'm just going to try and make it as soft as possible and almost like sieving it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just chuck it around here like so, and what this does is it picks up all the dirt off and eliminates any odors on the car. Put some on the headrest as well, and this is just dry. Make sure it's not wet at all. Just gonna add some there. And this car is now 5 years old, and these seats are actually fabric, just in case anyone wondered. Okay, so that does it for the driver's side. I'm going to do the same for the passenger side as well as the rear seats. And then once I have left it for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to dust it off with this brush. So it's quite a hard bristol to brush, and you can pick this up for probably about 2 USD or 3 USD. Then I'm going to be back with you shortly. Okay folks, we're now back after 15 minutes, and as you can see, it's just been sitting on the seat, the front as well as the rear seats. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to start brushing it off. You must bear in mind also that you'll have to clean your car up with all the powder and stuff like this, because the baking soda can cause quite a bit of dust in your car. Okay, I'm going to do that. What I've got here is I've got boiling hot water, dishwashing liquid soap, and about 2 cups of Dettol and some laundry washing powder. So what I'm going to do is, this is very, very hot, and I'm going to take an abrasive sponge and my microfiber cloth. I'm going to scrub it shortly. So I'm just going to finish up with this one first. As you can see, it's coming out quite nicely. I can already smell the seat, and it gets much better as I start to dust it off. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this one like so. I'm just going to dab it inside some boiling hot water, and as you can see, there's steam coming out of it. And you can start to see the seed is getting much cleaner, and I can tell you it really smells much better so far. I'm just going to do this for the top on the driver's seat and passenger seat as well. Whenever you're cleaning it, always do the top part first. Folks, now that we have put the baking soda, the cleaning solution which I have concocted just now, and now that has already been cleaned, now I'm going to go on to the carpet and upholstery cleaner. So you need to give it a good shake, which I've done before this, and then we're just going to spray it like so, and then we kind of go in a zigzag pattern like so. And then we're going to take this brush and we're just going to rub it in there. So. And you want to just moisten it a bit more. Down and side to side. And you can already see what a huge difference that has made from the start. You can start to see all the small grooves here as a part of the factory finish, and earlier those were all filled up with dust. So I'm going to do the rest of the seats and I'll get back with you shortly. Hey folks, we are now back after doing a massive clean on the interior, and there is quite a transformation on the interior. The camera doesn't pick it up as well, but it's definitely made a huge difference, and that's just from the vacuum lines as well as me cleaning it. There's absolutely no spots down there. And you can see the front seats as well. I'm not exaggerating, they look about 95% new compared to before where they only looked 40% new. I hope this video has been informative and useful. If you would like to watch more car videos, please consider subscribing. If this video did help you, please hit the like button. Thanks, have a great day, bye.